Hi, my name is Danielle Subingsubing and I study A-level Business, Sociology and Accounting. In A-level, during year one, I have been struggling. I didn't have the motivation, I didn't know what I actually really wanted to do in the future, but I decided to take my A-levels now just to see if I enjoyed it. And towards year two, I started enjoying it and now I've decided to go to uni, carrying on the business course. In A-level business, we study how the business functions, internally and externally. We learn the financing and marketing and how business manages people, for example, employees, shareholders, or consumers, customers. Throughout my college experience, I have gained so many skills. I have gained confidence, meeting new people, and resilience. As first year of college, I was literally not motivated at all, getting poor grades. But throughout second year, I have gained more confidence in myself and the course that I'm taking. And I have gained independence. This college has helped me make my decision clearer to what path I would want to go on, and my tutor and my peers has really helped me and encouraged me to do my best and motivated me as much as it could.